शान्तिः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणे विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। नमो नमः। गतकक्षायां
नमो नमः।
कृदन्तप्रकरणस्य अभ्यासः आरब्धः। कृदन्तप्रकरणस्य नाम अर्थः कः, तत्र के प्रत्ययाः आयान्ति, येषाम् अर्थः कीदृशः, तस्य सर्वं चिन्तनम् अत्र करिष्यते। कृदन्त नाम किम् इति चेत् क्रियापदात् केचन प्रत्ययाः संयोज्यन्ते, ततः यद् रूपं निर्मितं भवति। उदाहरणं यदि पश्यामश्चेत् गम इति मेन् रूट् वर्तते, मूलधातु वर्तते। तेन सह यदि तुमुन् इति प्रत्ययम् ऐड् कुर्मः चेत् रूपं लभते कर्तुम्। तत् कर्तुं कृदन्त इति शब्देन उच्यते। कृदन्ते ये शब्दाः भवन्ति कृदन्ताः, कदाचित् ते केचन कृदन्ताः इन्डिक्लैनेबल् भवन्ति, अव्ययानि भवन्ति। कदाचित् ते अपूर्णक्रियाः भवन्ति, कर्तुं खादितुम् इति अपूर्णक्रियाः। पूर्णं वाक्यं पूरयितुं तत्र पूर्णं क्रियापदं सर्वदा आवश्यकं भवति। तत्तु मुन् प्रत्ययविषये किञ्चित् अस्माभिः दृष्टं, कथं रूपं निर्मीयते, तस्य कृते सूत्राणि कानि इत्यादिकानि सर्वाणि किञ्चित् किञ्चित् अस्माभिः अधीतं। पुनः तत्र केचन नियमाः सन्ति, तान् नियमान् अहं बोधयामि अत्र। तुमुन् प्रत्ययस्य अत्र सूत्रमासीत् धातोः। एते सर्वेपि कृदन्तप्रत्ययाः अस्मिन् धातोः भवन्ति। धातो नाम रूपतः एते प्रत्ययाः क्रियन्ते। तत्र तुमुन् इति प्रत्ययविषये एकं सूत्रं वर्तते। तुमन्नुलौ क्रियायां क्रियार्थायां तुमुन् and नुल् प्रत्ययो, they are used to show the purpose of action. For example, सः याति गच्छति, सः गच्छति इति वाक्यमस्ति। याति इत्यस्य गच्छति इति अर्थः टू गो। किमर्थं गच्छति? टू शो द पर्पज ऑफ गोइंग, दे ऐड तुमुन् प्रत्यय along with some action, some root, like drush is the root. Along with that they use tumun pratyaya, it becomes drashtum, krishnam drashtum yati. Another sentence we can say bhoktum vrajati. Bhoktum vrajati, he goes for eating. The purpose is eating. To show the purpose of action, frequently we use tumun pratyaya. Right? Again, there was another sutra, kala samaya velasu tumun. Along with kala, samaya, vela, these words, we can use tumun pratyaya form. For example, ayam अभ्यसितुं वेला, अयम् अभ्यसितुं कालः, न तु भोक्तुं. Like that, we can make a sentence. We can form the sentence. So
Sorry, can you please see the meaning in English? What did you say the sentence for the kala?
this is the time of eating, not sleeping. So time of eating, time of sleeping, time of speaking, time of something something. Whatever is kriya you want to use along with time, this is a particular time dedicated to this. For example, this is the खादितुम वेला, न तो वक्तुम. तो दिस खाने के समय है, अभी बोलने का समय नहीं है. So if you want to form such sentences, we can use a particular शब्द like वेला, समय, काल, काल. पठितुं कालः अस्ति, पठितुं समयः अस्ति, पठितुं वेला अस्ति, न तु वक्तुं, न तु जल्पितुं, like that. Okay. So this we had seen already. Formation also I introduced how to do that, how to get the pachitum form or attum, bhoktum, etc. etc. So main root along with set net, then they add tumun pratyay along with that. So patha is main root. If dhatu is set, then idagama will happen. Then tumunanta form you need to add. Tumun pratyay ka सिर्फ तुम इतना ही बचेगा. So this is how patitum rupam is formed. So no need to worry about set net because I am going to give the meaning of directly the ultimate form of tumunanta forms. So first rule we saw धातोः अन्तिमस्य तथा उपान्ते यदि ह्रस्वस्वरः अस्ति चेत् तस्य स्वरस्य गुणः भवति. फॉर एग्जांपल अन्तिमस्य उदाहरणम् अस्ति नि, जि, भू, कृ. These are धातोः अन्तिमस्य स्वरस्य गुणः भवति. नि changes into ने, जी changes into जे, भू changes into भू, कृ changes into कर. And उपान्त्य ह्रस्वस्वरः यदि अस्ति धातु मध्ये यदि उपान्त्य ह्रस्वस्वरः second last ह्रस्वस्वर it should be not दीर्घ, then that also changes into guna, that will get the guna. So लिख in this ख के पहले वहां शॉर्ट वाला ई है तो ई changes into ए, लेखितुम, right? Yeah. So set dhatu, set dhatu नाम विषय तो you need to add before tum you need to add ikara. That's it. So bhavitum, lekhitum, pathitum. These are some set dhatus. Okay. धातोः अन्तिमस्य चकारस्य जकारस्य च ककारः आदेशः भवति. For example, pach. Let me change this one. The order I didn't change it. I'm not finding that arrow. Where is that? Okay, let's practice a little bit. Pacha dhatu is going to change into paktum. Okay, pacha changes into paktum. Bhuj dhatu is ending with jakara. So jakara will again change into kakara. So it will become bhoktum. And how that it became bho? Bhuj became bhuja. How it became?
That one sutra you are just now telling, no? Dhatu antimasya tata guno bhavati. Is that correct?
Correct. First rule only. So उपान्त्य ह्रस्वस्वरः यदि अस्ति तस्य किं भवति? उपान्त्य ह्रस्वस्वरस्य गुणः भवति. उकारः तत्र आसीत्, उकारस्य गुणः ओकारः भवति इति अस्ति. I am not able to find the arrow. So arrow ही गायब हो रहा है, सिर्फ नीचे उसका क्रिया चल रही है. Anyway, okay. Next is dakara will change into takara. So bhuj dhatu, again there is a upantya swara. If you see upantya rasva swara, you are finding e. So e is changing into a. That is first rule. Then according to second rule, it says dakara will change into takara. So bhuj will change into bhitum. Similarly, next rule is rudh. Dhakara will change into, okay, Dhakara will change into Bakara. What happened to this? Let me stop sharing once and do it again. अच्छा वो स्टॉप भी कैसे करूँ अभी? हाँ अभी मिला. Now I can do it. Now let's see. Now they are saying bha will change into ba. So example is love will change into labdhum. It becomes bakar. Ba comes at the place of bha. And bakara changes into da. So rudh, it changes into dakara. So now upantya rasva swara is u. That upantya rasva swara will change into o. It will become rodh. After making Rod, Dhakara is going to change into Dakara. So Rodhum it is going to be. Okay. दशम गणस्य धातुना सह अय इति इति गणचिह्नं संयुज्यते. अय, not I. Where is that? Here it is. Aya. Okay. So chura changes into chora. Then aya vikran will be added. It will become chora, and it is sed dhatu, so it will become chora itum. Similarly, dashamgani dhatus, they are sed dhatus. So chorayitum, kathayitum, tada changes into tadayitum. Right? Dhatoho makarasya nakarah bhavati. At the end of dhatu, main root, if you see ma, it will change into nakara. So gam changes into gantum, ram changes into rantum. Vishesh, there are some dhatus. Sah changes into sodhum, vah changes into vodhum, etc. etc. So this rule we have already seen. Then we have seen this shlokas also. Last shloka we were about to say, but our time got finished, so we could not see. Bhaktya tvananyaya shakyah अहमेवं विधोर्जुन ज्ञातुम द्रष्टुम च तत्वेन प्रवेष्टुम च परन्तप. We'll see the meaning also. Before that, let me introduce the again few more uses. Tumun pratyaya is used to show the purpose or the desire of the action. So the sutram we already saw tumun and nul. Here I have just used tumun pratyaya. Nul pratyaya I have removed because we are studying tumun. So tumun क्रियायाम क्रियार्थायाम, एक क्रिया करने के लिए दूसरी क्रिया दिखाना है ना. अहम सत्यम ज्ञातुम गुरुम उपगच्छामि. अहम गुरुम उपगच्छामि. Why I go there? Why I visit Guru? Satyam Jnatum. So Satyam Jnatum is one Kriya, and for performing one Kriya, another Kriya is added. So Upagachami, Aham Satyam Jnatum Gurum Upagachami. Similarly, Mohanah Gacchati. Mohanah Nadim Gacchati. Kimartam Gacchati? Apara Kriya. Snatum. स्नातुम नदीम गच्छति. तो ये क्रिया दिखाने के लिए नदीम गच्छति. क्यों गच्छति, क्यों जाते हैं? तो स्नातुम. अहम अत्र पठितुम आगच्छामि. दो क्रियाएं उन्होंने दिखाई है. आगच्छति एक क्रिया है, दूसरी क्रिया है पठति. तो एक क्रिया से दूसरी क्रिया दिखाना है ना. योधा योद्धुम गतवन्तः. जो भी वॉरियर्स है वो कहाँ गए हैं? लड़ने के लिए गए हैं. Another use, whenever we want to show fit, he is a fit person, he is a appropriate person, he is a capable, then we can say sah patitum arhati, sah patitum shaknoti. तो शक्नोति अर्हति क्रियापद is used. He is a capable means समर्थः अस्ति. सः कार्यं कर्तुं समर्थः अस्ति. I have put the examples also, like ईश्वरः पातुं समर्थः अस्ति. Bhagwan is a capable, he is an appropriate person, he is a what, he is a fit to protect, to take care of all the world. Again, Guru Vanditum Yogyah Asti. He is a worthy of going down, right? Worthy, ऐसा भी शब्द यूज करते हैं. Yeah, he is appropriate person to go down. Guru who teacher is appropriate person to go down. और क्या यूज कर सकते हैं इसमें? इंग्लिश शब्द. He is a fit, he is a worthy person, ऐसा यूज कर सकते हैं.
हाँ डेफिनेटली. फॉर अगर आप प्रणाम के लिए बोल रहे हैं डेफिनेटली
वर्ती शब्द यूज कर सकते, राइट. या तो लेट मी ऐड दैट. देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम. आई डोंट वांट टू. वेयर इज दैट? ओके, लेट्स कंटिन्यू बाबा. ईश्वरः पातुं समर्थः अस्ति. गुरुः वन्दितुं योग्यः अस्ति. आरभन्ते, टू बिगिन विथ. तो बालाः धावितुम् आरभन्ते. They begin with. So along with any action we can say arabate, sah khaditum arabate, sah patum arabate, sah shrotum arabate, sah gatum arabate, like that. To start with any action. So in this meaning also we can use tumun pratyaya. Aham gitam shrotum ichchami, along with desire, to wish, to desire, right? अहम गीतम श्रोतुम इच्छामि, तो ये जहां जहां आप इच्छामि शब्द यूज कर रहे हो उसके साथ भी ऐसे वाक्य बना सकते हैं. एंड टू बी एबल शक्नोति एक्सेट्रा, राइट. सहकार्यं कर्तुं शक्नोति वा, शक्नोति वा, अर्हति वा, along with this क्रियापद we can use तुमनंत form. Can you make one sentence by using he's a capable, he's appropriate, he's a like beginning, to wish, to be able. एकमेकं वाक्यं वक्तव्यं. शीघ्रं शीघ्रं.
सा गीतं गातुं शक्नोति और या शक्नोति.
हाँ, शक्नोति, अर्हति. सा गीतं गातुं शक्नोति. She is capable to sing the song. She is a appropriate person to sing the song. So both way we can say, even we say capability, even we can say like appropriate. Nice.
अहम वाक्य निर्माण कर्तुं न शक्नोमि.
न शक्नोमि. ओके. अहं वाक्य निर्माणं न कर्तुं शक्नोमि. समीचीनं. नेक्स्ट. डिजायर.
अहम
to start.
अहम श्लोकं श्रोतुम् इच्छामि.
अहम श्लोकं श्रोतुम् इच्छामि. वेरी गुड. आरभते. अहम संस्कृत संस्कृतं पठितुम् आरभे. I start learning संस्कृत. अहम संस्कृतं पठितुम् आरभे. तो आत्मनेपदी क्रियापद. सो आरभते, आरभेते, आरभन्ते, आरभसे, आरभेते, आरभद्वे, आरभे. अहम आरभे. I start. Right? So these were some uses of tumun pratyaya. Again, like arhati, along with polite request. Bhavan mam rakshitum arhati va? Can you protect me? Please protect me. So while making polite request, along with the arhati kriya pada, we can even use tumunanta form like rakshitum arhati. Please protect me. Bhavan mam rakshitum arhati. Like that. Bhavan maya sakam mandiram agantum arhati. You can come along with me to visit the temple, to go to the temple. Like again, this fourth rule based on that particular sutra I have put here. Kala samay velasu tumun pratyayah upayujyate. So ayam patitum samayah asti. Ayam patitum samayah asti. Swapitum na. This is the time to study, not to sleep. Right? या सिमिलरली भवतः क्रीडितुम वेला का. नो, मतलब आप कितने बजे या कौन से समय में खेलते हो. तो टू आस्क दैट भवतः क्रीडितुम वेला का, भवतः क्रीडितुम खेलितुम समयः कः. लाइक दैट वी कैन आस्क. सार्धद्वादशवादन खादितुं कालः अस्ति. द्वादशवादनः खादितुं कालः अस्ति. So 12:30 time of eating a lunch, or yeah. So this is how we can make some sentences. Can you make few more sentences by making request or saying samaya, kala, etc.
Aham षड्वादने पठितुम् इच्छामि.
अहम षड्वादने पठितुम् इच्छामि. Nice. So you are using that ichchami, the rule you are applying previous wala. Which third rule? No, second rule. This one, to desire. Hmm? Yeah. So if you particularly wants to talk about Kala Samaya Vela, that Kala Samaya Vela will come in Prathama Vibhakti. Like this is the time. So time, this is the time of eating, this is the time of doing something. Right? Yes.
So we have to use these words, samaya, vela, so like that, not
This word,
not the time, actual time itself.
along with this word, like this is the time of, playing, this is the time of eating, this is the time of sleeping, this is the time of studying, like this.
अद्य संस्कृत पठनं वेला अस्ति.
अद्य संस्कृत पठितुं न तुमुन्
Oh, sorry, पठित. The whole point is, sorry. Yes, got it. पठितुं.
again, arhati also we can say, right? Sarve sanskritam patitum arhanti. So arhati can be used as polite request or whenever we want to say like a capable. They are capable to learn Sanskrit. They are capable to learn English. They are capable to learn math. I am capable to learn everything like that. Something, right? Yeah. So these four rules, if you use, it will be sufficient, more than sufficient. तो तुम उन प्रत्यय का बस इतना ही यूज है. Yeah. So yes, can we make some sentences by using? You have the list now.
So this is like this. I used some words that some other words, not these words. Is that okay?
Yes.
Because I wrote Krushikaraha bhumim kastum vrishabham nayati.
समीचीनम् only. कृषक भूत्वा कृषिवलः कृषिम् अथवा क्षेत्रं कर्ष्टुं किं वृषभं नयति. समीचीनं. Nice.
I have made some sentence. रामः अयोध्यां गन्तुं रामराज्यं स्थापयति.
रामः अयोध्यां किं पुनः वदतु.
रामः अयोध्यां गन्तुं रामराज्यं स्थापयति.
What is the meaning of this sentence?
Ram went to Ayodhya to establish the Ram Rajya.
No, आपके सेंटेंस से मीनिंग क्या आया कि राम अयोध्या जाने के लिए राम राज्य की स्थापना करते हैं. Isn't it?
Oh.
Ayodhyam gantum. The main purpose is Ayodhya gamanam. It is appearing in. So you just change it. Ramah Ramarajyam sthapitum Ayodhyam gacchati. तो मेन पर्पज इज राम राज्य की स्थापना. अयोध्या जाना उनका पर्पज नहीं है. राम राज्य उनका राम राज्य की स्थापना करना ये मेन प्रयोजन है ना. तो सो ओनली वी नीड टू पुट यस.
लेखकः लेखितुं प्रकोष्ठम् आगच्छति.
दिस इज करेक्ट. दिस इज करेक्ट. वन बाय वन वी विल डू. हाँ जी. प्रार्थना जी योर टर्न.
So I made a couple. अहं गृहकार्यं कर्तुं न शक्नोमि.
Why you are always using na shaknomi?
It's just by chance that I used two sentences with na shaknomi, but this is what I made for homework.
Okay.
Sorry. The other one was on the spot. Let me do another one.
I think our husband does all the work. That's why.
Oh, really? I wish. How about vayam sanskritam pathitum agachamah?
Nice. Vayam sanskritam patitum agachamah. Neeraj.
Saha bhojanam paktum shakani kartayishyati.
Bhojanam paktum shakani kartayishyati.
Bhojanam is our favorite.
Yes. Who is this?
माता बालकं स्नातुं स्नानगृहम् आनयति.
Now, snatum means to take bath, and snapayitum means making him bath.
स्नापयति.
Snapayitum.
स्नापयितुम्.
Next.
बालः दुग्धं पातुं न इच्छति.
बालः दुग्धं पातुं न इच्छति. Okay.
Again, न इच्छति. See, I think I was in a no mode. These are all I made for homework.
So this बालः दुग्धं पातुं न इच्छति अथवा पातुम् इच्छति. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I made a very different sentence. Okay, I think it's really weird. No, not weird. Shankaracharyaha dharmamatham sthapayitum sampurnadesham भ्रमति.
धर्मं संस्थापयितुं. Why dharmamatham? Dharmam संस्थापयितुं. He wanted to protect the dharma. So
Okay. Because he did build that 4 matha, right?
correct only.
Yeah.
Let's
Dharmam sthapayitum. Yeah, correct. Okay.
जी समीचीनं.
रजकः वस्त्राणि प्रक्षालयन्तु सरोवरं गच्छति.
सरोवरः गच्छति ऐसा बनाना होगा. सरोवरः सरः. ओके, सरोवरं गच्छति करेक्ट ओनली. सरस इज द सकारांत शब्द, so सरः गच्छति, and वर शब्द is आकारांत word, so सरोवरं गच्छति. नाइस. रजकः वस्त्राणि प्रक्षालयितुं. प्रक्षालयितुं. नाइस. नेक्स्ट.
I made a similar one. सेविका प्रक्षालयितुं स्थालिकाम् आनयति.
सेविका स्थालिकां प्रक्षालयितुं स्थालिकाम् आनयति. समीचीनम्.
I made a similar sentence. सः वस्त्रं मार्जयितुं फेनकम् उपयुज्यति.
उपयोजयति. उपयुङ्क्ते. यस.
उपयोजयति.
जी नेक्स्ट.
कृषकः ज्वालयितुं काष्ठम् आनयति.
नाइस. कृषकः ज्वालयितुं काष्ठम् आनयति. समीचीनम्.
What does that mean?
He brings wood, fuel to burn.
कृषकः.
कृषकः means कृषिवल. Farmer.
Yeah.
So there is one from Bhagavad Gita. Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshyamapi haloke.
Meaning?
Well, so I don't know the exact meaning of it, but I can break it up for you. Shreyaha bhoktum bhaikshyah bhaikshyah api iha loke. In this lok as well.
We'll do the anvay. Then
go ahead. Please, yes.
Ihaloke, Arjuna is saying Ihaloke bhiksham bhoktum api shreya, rather than fighting.
Got it. Yeah. So it's better to beg and in this world, it's better to beg in this world.
Bhiksham.
And sustain yourself. Bhiksha is bhiksha, right?
Actually, he is saying rather than fighting, even begging is fine. Begging is
right. This is second chapter, right?
Yes. Shreyam tum bhiksham api haloke. Yes.
Right.
There are Tumuranta forms, you will find everywhere in Gita.
Yeah, I was trying to remember. So there's a couple that came to mind, but I did sit and think through. So this was one that came to mind.
Lot of.
I used. Sorry, you were saying something?
No, continue.
No.
I don't know. I made one sentence. I wanted to make a sentence with chintayitum. Okay. So I said, sadhanartham Geetam chintayitum avashyam.
Avashyam. Samichinam. Nice sentence. Good.
भक्तः मूर्तिं स्थापयितुं मन्दिरं निर्माति.
भक्तः मूर्तिं स्थापयितुं मन्दिरं निर्माति. समीचीनम्.
अहम एका शंका प्रष्टुम इच्छामि.
Eka Shanka is the object of the sentence. Object always be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Aham ekam shankam prashtum ichchami.
Oh, okay, that's good. Okay, ekam shankam.
Next.
I'm making up sentence as we go along. Gita Shrotum Mantum Nididhyasitum Shrotum. Again, I want to use that Avashyam word. Gita Patitum.
Avashyaki, even you can say Avashyaki.
Can you make the sentence again? I don't know what sentence I made.
Shrotum mantum nididhyasitum cha avashyaki. साधकैः गीता श्रोतव्या मंतव्या निदिध्यासितव्या. Like that, even tavyat pratyay we can use. Next.
Actually, it is like that. Somewhere it is there in some thing, right? Nididhyasitavyam, like that.
It is from Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Atmavare shrotavyah mantavyah nididhyasitavya.
Is mata or matarah?
Mata is also correct. Matara is plural of matru shabda.
Okay. So mata dipam prakashayitum sikthavartikam nayati.
समीचीनम्. माता प्रकोष्ठं प्रकाशयितुं सिक्थवर्तिकां प्रज्वालयति अथवा नयति, whatever you want to.
What is that? What is that? Sikta? What is that word, Nandini ji, you use?
Candle.
Sikthavartika means candle. Samichinam. Next.
Again from Bhagavad Gita, drashtum ichchami. So drashtum ichchami te rupam aishwaram rameshwara.
Aishwaryam रूप. Drashtum ichchami te rupam. Te rupam aham drashtum ichchami. Ichchami, along with ichchami kriyapada, Bhagavan has used, Arjuna has used the word tumunanta form he has used. Aham he Bhagavan, aham te, he Deva, aham te nama tava. Rupam drashtum ichchami, divyam dadami te chakshum, Bhagavan says then. Yeah, 11th chapter, right?
Yes.
Aham Pathayitum Guru Gruham Gachami.
Pathayitum. What do you mean? You mean
To study.
Then pathitum.
Pathitum. Oh yeah. Why did he say pathayitum? Pathitum.
Okay.
I am losing it.
Gruham gacchami. Pathayitum also, if you teach someone.
Guruhu Gitam Pathayitum asanam upavishati.
Asane upavishati. Asanam upavishati. Nice.
Sa paktum something anayati. I don't know.
And these are some, difficult words. Pach is the dhatu. They used to say in olden time, in ancient time, whenever the bride or the son used to become, 18, 25, whatever, so age of marriage, right? So if that girl or if that boy doesn't know the form of kta pratyanta rupa, like pacha dhatu, what is the kta pratyanta rupa? If he doesn't know the achikamat rupam, how it becomes achikamat, then tasmai kanyana diyatam. The person should not a girl to that fellow. So achikamat
Oh.
prakriya. Pacha dhatu, how it becomes ta pratyanta rupam. It's very difficult. Nobody knows in the sense we know because we have, but mostly the different form you will find. Gata is simple, khaditaha is simple, but it doesn't pakta. It becomes pakva. Like, yes. Paktum. Ha. What was the sentence?
फलं कर्तयितुं छुरिकां प्रयोजति
Prayojayati.
प्रयोजयति
Urikam prayojayati. Okay, next.
Kapihi phalam kaditum vriksham arohati.
Samichinam. Very good.
हनुमानः फलं खादितुं
Hanuman.
हनुमानः
Yeah. Hanumat is the main word, Pratipadikam. If you decline, it becomes Hanuman, Hanumanto, Hanumantah, Hanuman. Is Pratikvachan.
हनुमान् फलं खादितुं अशोकवाटिकां गच्छति
Hanuman is Nakaranta, Halanta Shabda, Hanuman, Natu Hanuman.
हनुमान्
Samichanam, very good.
Aham phalam kretum aapanam gacchami or
Apanam.
gamishyami.
Samichanam, very good.
Hanuman Sita Anveshtum Lankam Gachati.
Sitam, Dvitiya Vibhakti, object. Hanuman Sitam Anveshtum Vanam, okay. Lankam Gachati. Nice.
छात्रः छात्रालयं स्थातुम् अभ्यासं करोति
छात्रः छात्रालये स्थातुम् अभ्यासं करोति. छात्राः अभ्यासं कुर्वन्ति. Yes.
Sadhuhu bhojanam. Actually, bhojanam tyaktum will not work, and deha tyaktum will become very morbid. Sadhuhu deham tyaktum. Some holy place. Kashim gacchati.
People usually go.
It's a little morbid, but is the sentence correct, sir?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
And meaning is good. People go there for to die, right? To die. मुक्त करत मुक्ति मिलती है काशी में मरने से, ऐसा बोलते
हाँ.
People go there dying purpose and they don't die. When they come back, then they die. Okay.
So
Yeah, auntie says, sorry, go ahead.
नर्तक्यः नर्तितुं सभाम् उत्थास्यन्ते
नर्तितुं what?
सभाम् उत्थास्यन्ते standing.
They will stand. Okay. Neeraj, you were saying something?
Auntie says, when old people go to Kashi and then they wait all their life to die there.